sit and wait. There's an angel contemplate my fate. And do they know the places where we go, where we gray and old? 'Cause I've been told that salvation lets their wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts are running through my head, and I feel that love is dead, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down a waterfall, wherever it may take me. I know the light won't break me when I come to call. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. When I'm feeling weak and my pain walks down in the one-way street, I look above and I know I'd always be blessed with love. As the feeling grows, she brings flashes to my bones, and I feel that love is there. I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down a waterfall, wherever it may take me. I know the light won't break me when I come to call. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. Offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down a waterfall, wherever it may take me. I know that the light won't break me when I come to call. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead.